Ratio and proportion, exercise 7B, question number 15. Find the third proportional to x by y plus y by x and root of x square plus y square. Let the third proportional be A. Let the third proportional be A. That is, let the third proportional be A. That is, x by y plus y by x is to root of x square plus y square proportion to root of x square plus y square is to A. Is to A. Is to A. Then product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes means x by y plus y by x into A. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes is equal to root of x square plus y square into root of x square plus y square. Into root of x square plus y square. So this 2 times, no? So this will be what? Root of x square plus y square the whole square. What about this? Take the LCM. LCM will be just cross multiply also. LCM using Vedic math. So x into x square plus y into y square divided by x into y xy into a is equal to this one. So what about the RHS? Root of x square plus y square the whole square will be what? Root means whole raised to 1 by 2. X, root x the whole square. What about root x the whole square? That is x raised to 1 by 2 the whole square. So 2 will cancel. So it will be x. Same way, what about this?
Y.
No, this one, right side. Right side, root of x square. Root means whole raised to 1 by 2. So this doing the working column, what will happen to this one? Root of x square plus y square whole square. Root of x square plus y square means what? X square plus y square. The whole raised to 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. The whole raised to this 2. So this 2 will cancel. Remaining it will be only what? X square plus y square only. Up to this understood all of you? Cancel. So this x square plus y square into a divided by xy. നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ഏതാ? A മാത്രമേ വേണ്ടൂ. So A മാത്രം പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടത്തെ A മാത്രം നിർത്തിയാല് what will happen? ഇത് അതേപോലെ x square plus y square same. Then left side x square plus y square divided by xy. If we take to the right side, then we want to take the
Reciprocal.
So it will be what? Into, we need only a. So a, keep it there itself. Then remaining x square plus y square divided by xy will become
xy by x square plus y
x square plus y square. Thus x square plus y square and x square plus y square will cancel. So answer A is equal to what? Xy. Therefore, we assumed A as the third proportion. Therefore, we can say that what? Therefore, the third proportion is what? Xy. That is the third proportion. That is last line you can write. That is the third proportion is xy. Third proportion is xy. 16th question. If P is to Q is equal to R is to S, then show that MP plus NQ is to Q is equal to MR plus NS is to S. Given P is to Q is equal to R is to P is to Q is equal to R is to S. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So we can write PS is equal to QR. Let it be the QR. Then we want to prove what? MP plus NQ is to Q is equal to MR plus NS is to S. So how can we write? Again, here we can write the product of extremes is equal to product of means, no? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So MP plus, tell me, what is given? MP plus NQ is to Q is equal to MR plus NS is to S. Here, product of extremes is equal to product of means. So what do you want to write? MP plus NQ into S is equal to Q into MR plus NS. This we want to find out. Okay, so LHS part is this one and RHS is this one. So take LHS, put in the brackets. So MP plus NQ into S, this will be what? MPS, change the bracket. MPS plus NQ, yes. MPS plus NQS. PS is what? PS. We have
QR.
PS is equal to QR. Equal to PS, we can substitute as QR. So MQR plus what? NQS. NQS as NQS itself. Since, reason you should write in here itself. Since what? PS is equal to QR. That's why we are writing here. PS, we replace it as QR. Since we have PS is equal to QR, that's why we replace here in this step. So MQR plus NQS, reason you should write. The next step what? Which one we can take common? Q we can take common, no? So Q we can take. So remaining it will be Q means MR plus N. Yes. MR plus NS into Q, but which is equal to what? That is the
RHS.
Is equal to RHS. Hence true. That is MP plus last line. That is LHS is equal to RHS we got. That is MP plus NQ into S is equal to Q into MR plus NS. So completed. 17th question. Given right answer. 17th answer. Given P plus R is equal to MQ. P plus R is equal to MQ and 1 by Q plus 1 by S is equal to M by R. M by R. So take LCM. So cross multiplication using Vedic maths. So it will be S into 1. S plus Q into 1. Q divided by SQ is equal to M by R. S plus Q divided by QS is equal to M by R. Next what we can do?
But SQ ഒരു term അല്ലേ?
So what?
അപ്പൊ മാറുമ്പോ ക്യൂവും കൂടെ പോയില്ലേ?
ഇല്ല അത് ഇൻറ്റു അല്ലേ? പ്ലസ് ആണെങ്കിലേ കൂടെ പോകും. എസ് പ്ലസ് ക്യൂ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി എഴുതാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഇപ്പൊ എസ് ക്യൂ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പൊ അത് എസ് ക്യൂ ഈക്വൽ ടു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞെടുക്കുമ്പോ കൂടെ പോകില്ലേ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാല് ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ 2a is equal to 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ എയുടെ വാല്യൂ എങ്ങനെ കാണുന്നത്? 2 കൂടെ പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ലല്ലോ. എ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കല്ലേ? a is equal to 10 by 2 അല്ലെ? എയുടെ വാല്യൂ എത്രയാണ് എഴുതുന്നത്? 5 എന്നാണ് എഴുതുന്നത്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെയല്ലേ എസ് ക്യൂ പറയുമ്പോൾ ഈ 2a ഇതേപോലെ തന്നെയല്ലേ വരുന്നത്. അതിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇൻറ്റു ആയതുകൊണ്ട് പ്ലസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പറ്റില്ല, പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പറ്റില്ല. ക്ലിയർ ഭരത്?
യെസ് മാം.
അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ സൗകര്യത്തിന് കാരണം എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാല് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ എം ക്യൂ ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. എം ക്യൂ ഇസ് വാട്ട്? പി പ്ലസ് ആർ. ഇവിടെ എസ് ക്യൂ ആണ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് എം ക്യൂ എന്ന് ആക്കി കിട്ടിയാൽ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം, പി പ്ലസ് ആർ ആയിട്ട് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ വാട്ട് വി ആർ ഡൂയിങ്? ജസ്റ്റ് ഇന്റർചേഞ്ചിങ് ദിസ്. Instead of what? Instead of S we are writing M, and instead of M we are writing S. So S plus Q divided by Q as Q itself. S we write into as M and M S form. Not in S form, just interchanging the places of. So S plus Q divided by MQ is equal to S by R. MQ we can replace it as what?
P plus R.
P plus R. Then P plus R. Can we write like that way? Okay. S plus Q divided by P plus R is equal to S by R. Then listen properly. S by R. S plus Q divided by P plus R is equal to S by R. Just interchanging the places. So P plus R, instead of P plus R, write as S, and instead of S, write it as P plus R. Just changing the position only. So S plus Q divided by S is equal to P plus R divided by R. S plus Q divided by S is equal to P plus R divided by R. The next step, that S is common for both S and Q. So we can divide that. So how can we write? This one. S is common for both S and Q. So split it. This S you give to this S and this give to Q. So what is?
S by S plus
S by S. Very good. S by S plus. Let's say
Q by
S by S plus S.
Q by S.
Q by
Yes.
Q by
S by S plus Q by S.
Yes.
Q by S is equal to same way. R is common for both P and R. Same way split it.
P by R plus R by R.
P by R plus R by R. Okay, S by S is what? 1. 1 plus Q by S is equal to P by R plus again R by R is 1. Both sides positive 1 means it will cancel. If we take this, why it is cancelling? If we are taking this to the left side, 1 minus 1 is 0. No. So directly we can cancel this 1 and 1. Same sign means. Any doubt in that? If it is negative 1 means we can't cancel. Here positive 1, here also positive 1. In between equal sign is there. So we can cancel. Clear? So this one and this one will cancel. Remaining it will be Q by S is equal to P by R. What we want to find out. What is our ratio? P is to Q is equal to R is to S. That means P by Q is equal to R by S. What we can do? This we want to find out. So any adjustment we can do? P by Q. First we can take this P to the left side, no? Just changing the position.
Yes.
So Q by, instead of S we are writing P, and instead of P we are writing S. S by R. Here. Same case. What we have done here, no? That same case we are doing here. Q as Q itself, and P and S place changing only. P and S changing the places. R as R itself. Then taking what? The reciprocal, both sides. Both sides reciprocal. Taking reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal on both sides. What will happen? Q by P will become what? P by Q. And same way, S by R will be R by S. ഒരു സൈഡ് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അടുത്ത സൈഡും റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കണം. അല്ലാതെ ഒരെണ്ണം മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ പോരെ. Taking reciprocals on both sides. That you should write. So P by Q is equal to R by S. That is what? That is P is to Q is equal to R is to S. That is P is to Q is equal to R is to S. That we want to find out. Okay.